Welcome back. If you're thinking about buying the Yaber U11 Smart Projector, be sure to check the purchase link in the description below for the latest discounts and offers. Now let's take a closer look at whether this projector is worth adding to your home entertainment setup. The Yaber U11 is built for anyone who wants a big screen viewing experience without investing in an oversized television. From the moment you power it on, it's obvious that convenience is a major priority. Intelligent autofocus quickly sharpens the picture, while automatic Keystone Correction aligns the image without requiring constant adjustments. Whether you're setting it on a coffee table, bedroom shelf, or outside for a movie night, the projector is ready to go within moments, allowing you to spend less time configuring settings and more time enjoying your content. Its sleek, modern design blends nicely into almost any room while remaining compact enough to move wherever you need it. That flexibility makes it equally suitable for living rooms, bedrooms, outdoor gatherings, camping trips, classrooms, or business presentations. Instead of being tied to one location, the U11 gives you the freedom to create a large display almost anywhere. Visual performance is another area where this projector delivers impressive value. It supports 4K video playback while producing a crisp full HD image packed with vibrant colors and excellent detail. Movies feel immersive, sports broadcasts remain sharp during fast action, and animated films display rich, lively colors that really stand out. The projector produces balanced contrast with natural-looking tones, creating an enjoyable viewing experience for everything from streaming platforms to gaming sessions. A standout feature is its integrated smart operating system. Since many popular streaming apps are already built in, there's no need to rely on additional streaming sticks or external media players. Simply connect the projector to your Wi-Fi network, sign into your favorite services, and begin watching within minutes. This cleaner setup reduces cable clutter while making everyday use much simpler. Connectivity is another strength. Thanks to Wi-Fi 6 technology, streaming high-quality content feels smoother and more responsive, with faster loading times and improved wireless stability. Bluetooth 5.0 expands your entertainment options by allowing quick pairing with wireless speakers, headphones, or soundbars whenever you want a larger, more immersive audio experience. Even without external speakers, the built-in dual stereo speaker system performs surprisingly well. Voices remain clear and easy to understand. Music sounds balanced, and action scenes carry enough depth to keep movies entertaining. While dedicated speakers will always produce more powerful sound, the integrated system is more than capable for casual viewing, family movie nights, or everyday streaming. Gaming on a massive projected screen completely changes the experience. Whether you're exploring open-world adventures, competing in racing games, or playing sports titles with friends, the larger image creates a level of immersion that smaller displays simply can't match. Pair that with the projector's quick setup process, and switching between gaming and movie streaming becomes incredibly convenient. Versatility is one of the U11's greatest advantages. It works beautifully for movies, TV shows, gaming, online classes, business meetings, presentations, fitness videos, and family entertainment. Rather than purchasing different devices for different situations, this projector handles a wide range of tasks with ease, making it a practical all-around entertainment solution. Like every projector in this category, there are a few realistic limitations. Although it supports 4K content, the display itself isn't native 4K, so buyers expecting flagship home cinema performance should manage their expectations. The image also performs best in darker environments, where contrast and color depth become more impressive. These are common trade-offs and don't overshadow the overall experience the U11 provides. What makes the Yaber U11 such a compelling option is its balance of convenience, smart functionality, and reliable performance. Autofocus, automatic Keystone Correction, built-in streaming apps, Wi-Fi 6, Bluetooth 5.0, quality stereo speakers, and impressive full HD projection combine into a package that feels refined, easy to use, and surprisingly premium for its class. If you're looking for a projector that delivers modern smart features, dependable picture quality, effortless setup, and excellent everyday versatility, the Yaber U11 is definitely worth considering. It offers a complete entertainment experience for movie lovers, gamers, and families alike while delivering outstanding value for the money. If you enjoyed this review, don't forget to leave a like, subscribe for more technology reviews, and share your thoughts in the comments below. If you're interested in picking up the Yaber U11, check the purchase link in the description for today's latest deals. Thanks for watching, and I'll catch you in the next video.